Right guys, don't walk to Aldi, run to Aldi. Right, first off you want to get some of these garlic granules. Then you want to get the mozzarella and cheddar mix. Some butter. Some mixed herbs. And finally, some small tortilla wraps. Right Lucy, cook me something up.
Easy.
Right, so we're back home now Lucy. So what is it you're going to be cooking?
I'm going to be making the cheesy garlic wraps in the air fryer.
Ooh.
Right, so first off, you want to get 3 wraps out. Now, I've seen people do it with 2 wraps, but I'm going to load it up and do 3. So the first step is smother each wrap in loads of butter. And more the better, and use some good butter because this is going to be tasting really delish.
Well, Norpac is a bit like, what's that one called?
I'm not sure. I wouldn't know.
Is there a brand like Norpac?
I don't know.
Well, I'll not say it.
And it should look something like that, loaded with butter. Next, you want to get your cheese mix. I'm using the mozzarella and cheddar from Aldi. Get it straight onto the wraps. More the better. Don't forget to pay the cheese tax.
Naughty.
Then I'm going to add the garlic granules. Oh God, that came out quick. Stinky. And finally, I'm going to add the mixed herbs. Then I'm going to layer them up. So literally all you're doing is putting one on top of the other. I'm going to get this onto a baking tray and into the air fryer for about 10 minutes on 180. And it's that simple. And don't forget to press the follow button for more savvy ideas. Oh my God, Mark, it's actually oozing out everywhere. This is going to be one of the biggest, chunkiest, littlest garlic breads.
Oh my God, look at that.
Maybe I put too much cheese in it.
You can't have too much cheese, love. That's amazing.
And that is ready.
Here we go. Oh my God.
Oh jeez.
That looks...
Oh, it looks very naughty.
Oh, that looks really naughty.
It's very it's very oozy.
Really naughty. That could possibly be the best garlic bread made at home ever. Let's get it cut. Let's give it a try. Right, here we go. Cutting it with the trusty scissors.
Oh. Oh my God, it's thick.
Oh my God, let me pick it up. Let me pick that up.
Hold on, let me cut it properly. Oh!
Here we go. Oh, that is hot.
Oh.
Look at that. Oh my God, that's so good. Let's taste it.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh my God.
That's a bit naughty.
That is the best garlic bread ever. That is the best ever garlic bread. Guys, give that a try. Don't even walk to Aldi. Run to Aldi and go and try that.